Absolutely love puzzles. I wanted a solution that I can do the puzzle without having to move it around my house. So I used my ottoman and I got this rotating puzzle board. This one is for 1,000 to 1,500 pieces. It has, so convenient. I can lift this up, move it around if I want, but it has little drawers on each side. Very nice. That one's a little bigger. Very, very nice and cute. I just love this thing. And this definitely encourages the doing of the puzzle more often because it's right in my living room. I like the smooth 360 rotation. My kids can rotate it and, reach the puzzle where they want to finish it up. This does not come with the puzzle I have in here. This is for informational purposes only. On the bottom, there is the 360 rotator. You can either use these four almost like stick'ems to just stick it on the back of the wood. It's very simple. Takes like 10 seconds, but it has the 6 sliding drawers. It has the nice protective cover. That way my dogs won't come and sit on this. So I just cover it up when we leave the room, which is very, very nice. Nice protective cover, nice and big, nice and thick, nice and sturdy. Would I buy this again? Absolutely. This puzzle board has definitely made our family puzzle nights neater, easier, and more enjoyable. Keeping this here encourages, again, more time doing the puzzle. I love the rotating base. I love the ample surface area. Once again, 1,000 to 1,500 pieces this thing holds. And it is on my big ottoman, which is it's pretty big. This is a thoughtful gift for any puzzle lover. And yes, if you don't want it, store it under your bed, store it in a closet. But highly, highly recommend.